Well, welcome to our barn update, and we've got some steels on site. As you can see, this lot were delivered on Thursday or Friday morning. The prefabricated steels all going into the barn, and we've got the first bit actually in situ and a lot of block work to follow on, I suspect. So let's go and have a look, see what progress has been made this week. Well, first thing to notice when you come round onto site here is that the colour of the floor has changed from the crushed red brick, which was formed largely on site by crushing up a lot of the old wall and bricks that came out of the old surrounding structures and walls that formed the back end of the little log store that was here. We've now got a layer of crushed granite which forms this lovely even surface on which they'll be able to form a level floor. I suspect on top of this will go some insulation material, and then top of that your underfloor heating, and then your final skim concrete layers. But what we have got is the outline now of the actual rooms going on the back end of the wall. This is I'm walking now where the front door is going to come over these boards. There's going to be a secondary wall just to my side. The two gaps there, one is a doorway that's formed coming through from the entrance hall, and the other is the doorway coming back into this bedroom area in this back corner of the barn. And between those two is going to be a feature wall, red brick, period bricks that we've purchased. One of the few walls that's going to be not lined with insulation or tanked. We've got the former in for the patio doors that's going to open out. This area in the corner is going to be a fitted kitchen area. This area is going to be a ensuite. Well, it's not ensuite anymore. It was originally going to be ensuite, but we've swung the door around, so it's going to be the toilet and bathroom for the downstairs bedroom and the reception area of the barn. These two walls are going to support the staircase, which is going to go up on the right hand aspect, dogleg round, and then come back on itself. And you can see that we have started to put some plumbing and electrics in here. And actually what they've sunk, can't see a lot of it at the moment, but under here and under that back panel we've now got two phases of electrical cabling bored in to supply the power supply both to this barn and the one little barn just to the western aspect that's going to be built. So it's coming on, it's starting to take form. The steel I was talking about has gone up. These two supporting main beams that are on massive great big concrete new footings are both in place now, and the supporting beam along the top of those, which is going to support all the upper floor area on this barn, that's where the old external wall used to sit. It's now going to be supported with steels, so we've got this open plan area that's from where I am now, which is going to be the main entrance coming from the parking through into the reception area and open plan kitchen. It's going to be quite a nice open space, and with those big French windows to greet you as you walk in, I think the overall effect is going to be very, very pleasant. The brickwork is going to come on quite quickly now, particularly with the blocks. They're going to be put up over the next 2 weeks. Our main builder's going actually on holiday for 2 weeks from Tuesday after the bank holiday weekend, but his team's staying under the supervision of a foreman that's going to direct the brickies to crack on with this barn. And I'm hoping by the time he comes back we'll have these supporting walls fully up to their height and the rest of the steel platform in place. So lots to look forward to, lots more building to be formed here, but it's coming together. You can start to see the floors now and get an impression of the scale and size of these rooms and the aspects that they're going to have. So very pleased with progress so far.